uyu wa kambuni ya kurora wigiriki wa indo ya KEBS niwe Esther Gareni atariria ate makonia amakiria ma ngiri 20 ma cukari utakinyanire matiramenyekana kuria mari ona gutuika uthuthuria na wambikitwo agitetera mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya ya bunge. Esther ni atariria ate mihuri iria iri makonia-ini macio ndiakinyanire amuti ya ruhonge rwa KEBS.
Invitation to destruction of condemned brown sugar in 40 by 20 feet containers from Zimbabwe. We facilitated the activation of the seals and breakage of custom seals of the above mentioned 40 by 20 feet containers found to contain items in bags. Sales were received by Vinepack Industries in the presence of KEBS, National Police, DCI, AFA, NEMA, and the clearing agent. Are the seals that were placed in the warehouse after receipt of the goods and offloading the goods into the warehouse. And they are the two seals, 029544 and seal number 02954457, which were witnessed on 24th April 2023, were missing, and the seals which were therefore were found when the team was notified were different, which are closer in numbers to the original seals.
Who put the other seals? Yeah, the fake seals, which now, after opening a consignment, had already disappeared. I think that is a very critical question. Are they custom seals? Or what kind of seals, and who is responsible, the custodian of those seals?
Na ripoti ya